So everybody seemed to really like these cute little birds. They weren't my idea. I got the idea of someone on Facebook, on YouTube actually, while I was scouring a new tutorial to do, and I thought that the birds are super cute. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's so easy. This book is like my favourite book. It's handmade paper and it's made from recycled cotton rag in India. So it's what do you call it? Environmentally sustainable. Alright, there's really nothing to these birds. I'll show you my palette. I'm going to start with orange because it's a nice bright orange. These are just my, I don't even know what brand this palette is, but it's not a fancy one, that's for sure. And here we go. And bird one done. Boom, just like that. Okay, wash off. I'm going to do pink. I think it's called Rose Madder, but it doesn't matter because it's Rose Madder. Anyway. And yes, even when I'm not filming, I do talk to myself while I'm doing my artwork when I'm alone. Sometimes the husband catches me and he's like, "Are you alright? Do I need to call the white van with the paddy wagon and the little vest and stuff?" And sometimes I think, might not be a bad idea, but still. Anyway, now I'm rambling. Okay, and a little baby one, down here. So circles are really easy to do, or you go round and round and round, and they don't have to be perfectly round. I just practicing, I guess. Oh, and blue. This is cerulean blue, and it is so pretty. Check that out. Pretty. All right. Now up in the corner we have the tree. This is how to do a tree. So this paper is only 185 GSM, which if you're not into watercolour, it doesn't mean squat to you. But if you are into watercolour, you know that different weighted papers take the ink, take the paint differently, and they react differently to it. And some dry faster than others. Some you can't lift anything from. Others, the page rips if you try and lift things. This one, it holds the colour really, really well. Like, look, see how bright those colours are? They're just gorgeous. But the thing is, you can't lift colours from this because it's cotton rag, it's recycled and all those great things. So it makes it really hard to lift. The paper kind of frays, I guess. Anyway. So now I've done that, that's pretty much all the painting you need to do. I'm going to dry it super quick. Excuse the noise. This is my very technical pink hair dryer that I've had for about 15 years. Some people who do watercolour have this thing called a ink tool, which it looks just like a hairdresser, but I'm going to assume it costs $1 bazillion. This is an $11 Kmart special, so winning. Okay, and we're dry. Okay, so now all we have to do is put the features on the little birds. So I'm going to have this one. This is the little ink here. Looking behind. You can do this with black paint too, but honestly couldn't bother because painting fast. And Bubby, the little one, it can be looking this way too. And it's big. And just be nice and big. There we go. Alright, now for the legs. I'm going to draw the legs in twice to get that real stringy look. This one is probably the mommy bird. They look weird. They look a bit creepy. Don't you reckon they look creepy? Like, this is something you'd have nightmares about, birds like this attacking you. You've seen the Alfred Hitchcock film Birds. Holy. Yeah. I saw it when I was really young and I was like, yeah, seagulls. Pass. And this one's going to look even weirder because it's facing upwards. But you know what? This is art, and I have discovered that you can do literally whatever you want. Okay, so here's the curly tail. This one's going to have little lines. This one's going to have the droop. I like this one. This one's going to have, oops, just feathers out the back. And this one, what can this one have? I know. There we go. One more. And possibly some curly hair, because everybody knows birds have got the curly hair. Alright, so this one can be singing a little song. What other song things do I know? Shame, since I did music for like 5 years. Yeah, that looks like enough. And that's it really. I might decorate the tree. Oh my god, I love this book. It is so pretty. It's just so, it feels really good. Like, you can see the texture of the paper, which is, you know, it's not everybody's cup of tea, but damn, I like it. Alright, there's some quickie flowers. There we go. I think we're done. So that's it really. You want to make a whole herd of things with that. You can make cards, you can do whatever you like. Well, I hope you enjoyed this.